Thank you for coming and visiting this video. Look at what we got here. It's a railing that's going to fit right here. It's simple, easy. Let's get to it. I'll unbox it, install it, and show you what it looks like. Hang tight. All right. So what I ended up doing is putting a piece of conduit down into the ground. I'm surprised it went in there, it being so cold out. And then I pounded this in. So, I mean, it's pretty rigid. So I put that in. And then this handle, I mean, this is beefy. No, I thought this was going to be like chintzy as all heck. So then you just put it in there. And then I got to put the 4 screws, 2 here and 2 there. And this will be a railing to grab onto. And, you know, to help someone come up into the stairs like this. So I'm going to put the screws in and it should be good. Just like that. Nice railing. I know it's not like really solid, but it's got to have some give. So yeah, if you have a problem getting up on the step, this is what this is for. My in-laws, they come and come into the house, and they're getting a little bit older where they are having a little difficulty making the step. So this is to help them so they can. I was thinking about getting a whole railing, but then my wife found this on Amazon. This was $75, but it's well worth it. Like I said, this thing is like beefy. You know, they must have really had to heat this up to get this turned around like that. So, yeah, turned out to be an easy 1, 2, 3 project. And we'll see how it works out. I think it's going to be really good. And then when summertime rolls around, I can always dig that out and cement it a little bit if I need to. But it's got to have some flexibility. All right. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll have some more videos coming up real soon. Thanks for watching.